Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making the best air fryer garlic and herb shrimp. To begin, let's make the marinade. In a small food processor, add in 6 cloves of garlic, followed by a handful of fresh basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, a quarter of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes or to taste, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper or to taste, and if you don't like spicy food, just leave it out, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a quarter of a cup of olive oil, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste, and last but not least, the juice of 1 lemon. Now process until you get a smooth texture. Once it looks like that, the marinade is ready. For this recipe, we are using 2 pounds of large shrimp, which have been peeled and deveined. Season the shrimp with about 75% of the marinade and save the other 25% for when the shrimp have been cooked. Then give it a toss and ensure that every shrimp is covered in the marinade. Now cover and transfer to the fridge and let the shrimp marinate for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, preheat your air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Do not skip this step as we want the air fryer basket to be super hot when we place the shrimp in. Then place the shrimp in a single layer in the preheated basket and do this in batches. Then air fry at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. You may flip them over after 2.5 minutes. However, I tested it a few times, didn't think I really needed to flip them over since they cooked perfectly in 5 minutes without flipping. And after air frying at 400 degrees for 5 minutes, your shrimp should look like this. You may garnish with the reserved marinade. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the best air fryer garlic and herb shrimp. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!